All right, so let's talk about the 2023 key growth pillars. So this is the focus of Sante, not only of course in the Philippines but all over the globe. All right. So doon pa rin tayo sa three keys, 'di ba? Sponsor, sell, and sustain. On the sponsor side, okay, this is our strategic plans, okay, at least for the year 2023. Number one, develop new partners. When I talk about develop new partners, we will have a balanced focus. Not only focusing on building business owners, but we will also try to build our resellers. All right? Okay. For the record, we're just changing the terminology from retailer to resellers. So based on yung discussion ng team, mas nakita namin mas konting may class, may touch of elegance yung word na reseller. So from now on, when I talk about resellers, I'm talking about those people who are actively selling our products. They might not be building the business, building the network, but they are actively selling our products. So this year, we will balance our focus. All right? We will try to sponsor more and more business owners and develop more and more resellers. All right? Number two, sell. We will increase our activity. Increase our activity in terms of number one, product promotions. Kasi for how many years, tanggapin natin, masyadong focus natin is only the Sante Barley brand eh. Siguro ang sumusunod sa Sante Barley brand is the Fusion Coffee. But in this year, 2023, we will try to zero in our attention in each and every product category. And of course, we will continuously develop sales training programs to help our business owners and resellers, all right, actively build their customer base. Alam mga kapatid na bumuhay sa atin for the past 15 years, yung dami ng customers natin. Naintindihan niyo ba yun? And the reason why, during pandemic, kahit na challenge ang buong mundo, tayo nabuhay tayo. It's because of our customers. And of course, last but not the least, sustain, we will continuously build our leadership pipeline. When I say sustain, we've sponsored a lot of distributors, a lot of resellers. We need an activity to further strengthen their skills, diba? Develop them. So we'll be developing enhanced incentive programs. We will be developing new products. Of course, the Sante Engaged team will always be there to develop more and more programs, not only in the Philippines, but all over the globe. This is our key strategic pillars this 2023.